Well, here we are on a hazy August morning, Sunday morning actually. Look what is sitting in the Cooper Road mini driveway. This was a bit of a surprise. There's a story behind it, but suffice it to say, there's another project. This one an interesting one. It is a 71 MG midget, split bumper, ridiculously low miles. And astoundingly, let's take a look at the DMV paperwork here we discovered under the seats. One of the rare undiscovered cars belonging to a certain well-known personality here. Few people knew he used to maintain a residence in Placerville. But this ended up being delivered here by a good friend of ours that I've helped over the years with his other projects. He's a mini guy, and he sort of acquired this one. And of course, work has begun. If you know anything about me, you'll know I seldom acquire something that runs. The engine was in a wheelbarrow and is now on our test table inside. But of course, we've begun work on this. We have another fender. The only body damage is up here. But I had to get my camera out because I had Brendan from over at Minimania. He does most of Minimania's videos and has for many years, and is a sprite expert restoring his own. He says they gather stuff. There's a dead area here you can't access. And he was astounded that there were no holes and no rust. And I pulled this off, and you know, there's a few washers, some pine needles, the missing fuse box lid, it looks like. Yeah, they're always in this part of the fender on these sprite midgets. Oh, there we go, look at that. Usually some kind of tool or other, bits and pieces have fallen. Yes, there was a screwdriver there when I reached my hand in, but also spiders, so I reached my hand right back out. But off it is. The damage is up here. You can see how bad, because we have another one that has slight corrosion, we'll say. This one looks like it's had an interesting twist there too. But this has already been set up for the 5-speed, the Datsun 5-speed conversion, which is down in our basement. Some of the mounts already installed here. And it's had some other things done. It's amazing how much time Mr. McCartney had. But somebody looks like they grafted in something here from a AMC Rambler. Nah, I'm just guessing. All of this mess for the purpose of an upside-down hazard switch? I'm not sure what the intent there was. There's a weird little CNH temperature there. Not sure what the C3 is. Very low miles. Again, what are we doing here? 42. Let me get to that. Deemed original by myself and Mr. Brendan, who really knows these. Yeah, he was pretty impressed with the condition. So we'll see what we turn it into. Our newest project.